Cryopreservation is becoming more and more important in terms of preserving the genetic gain for all species, and aquaculture is not out of that. Next, please. In the latest SOFIA report from FAO, they were talking about the production, a total production of 100 million tons that will be coming from aquaculture by 2030, where this amount is coming from more than 240 species farmed. Normally, we manage a list of production, but 240 is a lot. Under this report, they talk about the blue transformation concepts that gathers everything related to how aquaculture will aim for that figure in terms of the need of innovation, the need of sustainability frames, the need also of genetic exchange. By other hand, the World Organization of Animal Health is working currently in the new regulatory frame, aiming for a safer genetic transfer to allow this big growth, where they have defined, or they are defining, a new concept on disease-free compartment. They are defining the concept of collection centers, all of them aiming for a higher biosecure genetic trading worldwide. Of course, in this context, cryopreserved semen becomes the best alternative for this genetic material exchange, because cryopreserved semen can be quarantined, it can be screened with long and delayed results. It can be rechecked many times at departure, at destination hatcheries or countries, depending on any different regulation, and none of that will affect the quality of this cryopreserved sperm along the time. So IMV is not far from that type of improvement, because we have the experience of the bovine range, where the bovine industry has been facing similar challenges by the 70s, where they were wondering how to increase productivity worldwide, how to secure the genetic transfer among the countries, how to contain these full traceability systems, and also at the same time with automation and industrialization conditions, and all of this supported by an international agreement. Today, if we see this industry, we can count more than 400 insemination centers worldwide that produce more than 500 million straws every year. Those straws are exchanged among all countries in the world that has had cows, all under the international regulatory frame that was created and has been evolved since then, managed by the World Organization of Animal Health. Today, there are highly secure automated packaging systems in order to make it safer and biosecure, with indelible straw labeling, aiming for traceability, and with specific codification and color codes helping the traceability and helping the farmers to follow up all these traceability things. Same challenge or similar is faced today in the aquaculture industry, where cryopreservation is becoming a more useful tool. So there is a need for increased genetic gain, especially today by each farmer. There is a general increase of the need of increasing the aquaculture efficiency worldwide, and this could be done by transferring genetic improvement from one country to the other. And then we have international regulation agreement that is coming to the floor in order to secure genetic transfer. By other hand, the suppliers and the industry in general is working in automation and industrialization of the process in order also to make it more daily use process, let's say, and at the same time to keeping the full traceability, looking for ways to control the traceability. In that sense, IMV has been supporting and helping the reproduction, not only in cryopreservation, but also in all the range of products and technology required for reproduction. IMV was founded in 1963, by Mr. Kasu, which was the creator of the straw. Today, we have 8 associated brands that are helping us to enlarge the range of products to cover all species that are farmed. We are talking about bovine, swine, poultry, human, equine, ovine, aquaculture, of course, small ruminant, among others that are in research levels. For that type of species, we can supply products for reproduction biotechnologies and for the fully automation of that. Here, maybe you have seen all the aquaculture offer we have. So we are covering everything from the maturation monitoring of the fish until the egg sorting. So it's not only cryopreservation, but back to cryopreservation. Let's talk about the Cryolab. So Cryolab, it's the Cryolab concept based on having your own cryopreservation lab on site allows you to have the cryopreservation always available, optimizing crossbreeding without seasonal challenges, of course, faster genetic gain in production using the best candidates, because many times you have seen that you have males at the beginning, you have females at the end of the season, and it's not very easy to have the best crossbreed once you have a very wide season. Then the possibility to have your own male cryobank available, semen cryobank available, like a catalog where you can choose whatever you need and what could be the best crossbreed or test different things. And also by the using of automated system, you can standardize all the process. In terms of cost, the straws are the most efficient cryopreservation container, not only because of the quality of the cryopreservation itself, because the shape of the straws are securing that every single corner of the straws inside is well cryopreserved, but also because they are optimizing the space inside the tanks for the storage. And you know that liquid nitrogen need, or the cost of nitrogen, is one of the most expensive cost in terms of cryopreservation, in terms of keeping your cryobank. By other hand, in order to allow to help the cryopreserved semen transfer between countries, then we have developed a full traceability system on printed and well-identified straws with different also color codes. So as a result of that, we have today 6 fully automated cryolabs working worldwide in industrial levels, where as a maximum, with the basic configuration, we are preparing. One cryolab can make 15,000 straws per day, and this amount of straws is enough to fertilize 5 million eggs per day. So yeah, I think that's it for now. We are going to send you more information about our cryolabs afterwards.